Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers in Tocaboca, only way. Start by opening the app, go to the kitchen and select the grill, choose a bun, patty, and toppings from the menu, then drag them into place. Tap cook, watch the patty, flip when edges brown, and assemble with sauce. Keep the pace playful, try different toppings, and use small adjustments to get consistent results every time. In this video, I will show how to make burgers in Tocaboca, only way. Focus on patty choices, picking thicker options for juiciness, and flipping once edges brown to keep moisture inside. Light seasoning improves taste without dominating playful flavors, and timing matters more than power level in the game. Practice a few variations, note which combos your characters enjoy, and use small tweaks to perfect toppings and cooking timing. In this video, I will show how to make burgers in Tocaboca, only way. After cooking, assemble by placing the bun bottom, then patty, cheese, and veggies in order, keeping a neat stack for visual appeal. Apply sauce sparingly to avoid soggy results and to keep the burger stable for play interactions. Serve to characters showing hunger icons to earn smiles and advance the scene, experimenting with presentation to unlock happy reactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.